Hello guys, how are you? Okay, today we are going to work on page 54, okay, Oxford Discover. So we have, what type of wheel do you think is the most important? You are going to write your answer here, okay? Then you are going to listen to someone speak about the printing press, okay? Then check the main idea. So you have the audio in the presentation. Then you are going to listen again if you want, and you are going to write the facts that you heard while you were listening, okay? You can write here the facts or in your notebook, okay? And then you are going to complete exercise C in your notebook, please, okay? Plan 2 trips with your partner, but you don't have partner right now, but you can do it. You can imagine, okay, your friend, and you are going to create 2 dialogues, okay, similar to this dialogue in your notebook, and you are going to paste a picture, okay. When you finished, please send me a picture, okay, tomorrow. Okay, goodbye. And remember, if you have any question, please send me an email.